Hello, my dear students. Today in this class we are going to discuss your new chapter, that is Pinocchio. Pinocchio is your new chapter. What is the meaning of Pinocchio? Pinocchio means there is no meaning. This is name of one of the robots. This is the name of robots. We call that robot's name was Pinocchio. So okay, now we start reading. Just open your textbook, page number 39. Once upon a time, an old carpenter brought a very queer piece of wood. As he used his plane on it, he heard a little laughing voice say, "Stop, you are ticking me." The old man was puzzled by the voice. He said, "This is a strange piece of wood. What shall I do with it? I think I will make it in a puppet." He set to work, and as the puppet boy took shape, the old man said, "He must have a name. I will call him Pinocchio." As soon as he finished making the eyes, the carpenter was amazed to see them move. Before the mouth was made, it began to laugh. "Stop laughing," the old man said. "I did stop." But as soon as the back turned, it put out its tongue and its noise grew long. No sooner were its hands ready than it snatched off the carpenter's wig and put it on its own head. Okay, next start discussion. Once upon a time, an old carpenter brought a very big queer piece of wood. Once upon a time, it means once upon a time. There is no particular time. Some days back or some years back, or the poet will saying like that. Once upon a time means many years ago. The story was already did. Once upon a time means some years back, an old carpenter brought a very queer piece of wood. Here is the what is the meaning of carpenter? Carpenter means the man who work with woods. We call carpenter. They make windows, they make door, they make tables, wood chairs. We call carpenters. Okay. An old carpenter brought a very big queer piece of wood. What is the meaning of queer? Queer means strange. He bought means he buy a queer piece of wood. Queer means a strange, a unknown piece of wood. He bought a unknown wood. Piece of wood. As he used this plane on it, he heard a little laughing voice say, "Stop, you are ticking me." He bought a wood and he started. You want to think this wood is very strange wood. You want to make a plane. Means plane means what is the meaning of plane? It means a lot of space. You want to make it nice. On it, he heard a laughing voice. When he started his working, he heard a little laughing voice. He heard a voice, this strange voice. That one person is laughing. "Oh, stop! You are ticking me. You stop ticking me." The wood is now started to talking. "Stop! You are ticking me. Stop ticking me." Means what is the meaning of ticking? Ticking means dilatation. Dilatation means he is starting the work on the wood. The wood will be started laughing. "Stop! You are ticking me." The old man was puzzled by the voice. He said, "This is a strange piece of wood." When the old man a carpenter is starting the work, is on the wood, that suddenly the wood was laughing, and the wood said, "You stop me! You are don't ticking me." Suddenly the old man was puzzled, means he is confused, he is in the covered, because why the wood is talking with me, the wood is voice saying, coming out of the voice from the wood. He is very puzzled, he is very confused about it. The wood is not only a normal wood, this is a talking wood. He was very curiosity about the wood. Because of the wood, now he has talking. The wood, you see the wood, the stones, the things cannot talk. But this is wood now talking. So he is very curiosity about that. This is a strange piece of wood, what shall I do it? This is a strange, this is very curiosity, this is very unique wood. We cannot, is now confusing. What can I do for this wood? Shall I do what with it? I think I will make it an puppet. And the old man, the carpenter, think, I will make it into a puppet. I will make it into a puppet. What is the meaning of puppet? Puppet means one who is under the control of another. One who is under the control of another, we call puppet. When the person saying to another person, he will do like that. So we call puppet. Some robots, the example, the robots making what we say, that robot will do like that. So the man thinking, I will make also this puppet, is one who is under the control of another. He want to, the wood will make his puppet. He set to work, and as the puppet boy took shape, the old man said, he must have a name. I will call him Pincho. He set to the work, and after he want to make the wood will be into a puppet, and he started the work, and after some time the wood will make a shape, is like a Y shape, and he will give the name of that wood. That name is puppet. Your chapter name is Pinocchio. Pinocchio is the name of that puppet. The robo, like a robo. He will give the name of that is Pinocchio. As soon as he finished making the eyes, the carpenter was amazed to see them move. As soon as he finished his working, making the wood will making he will do making like a one pie. He will give the eyes. The carpenter was amazed to see them move. And he give the first. He give the eyes to that puppet, the Pinocchio. Before the mouth was made, and he is made also mouth. It began to laugh. When he made a mouth, and it began to laugh. Stop laughing, the old man said. I didn't stop. It did stop. And he making eyes. If the eyes can be see, the Pinocchio can be see, and he is made a mouth. That's the time the Pinocchio he will be start laughing. And there is another parts here to made. Okay, next class we will discuss what will do the carpenter, what will he do the wood. Okay, thank you.